China is forging ahead in the race to develop a vaccine to help control the COVID-19 pandemic, with Sinovac Biotech's experimental vaccine set to become the country's second and the world's third to enter final stage testing later this month. While a laggard in the global vaccine industry, China, where the new coronavirus is thought to have originated, has brought state, military and private sectors together in a quest to combat a disease that has killed over 500,000 people worldwide. Many other countries, including the United States, are coordinating closely with the private sector to try to win the vaccine development race, and China faces many challenges. Its success in driving down COVID-19 infections makes it harder to conduct large-scale vaccine trials, and so far only a few other countries have agreed to work with it. After past vaccine scandals, Beijing will also have to convince the world it has met all safety and quality requirements. But China's use of command economy-type tools is so far yielding results. A state-controlled entity, for example, completed 2 vaccine plants at what it called the wartime speed of a couple of months, while state-owned enterprises and the military have allowed experimental shots to be used on staff. The People's Liberation Army's PLA Medical Research Unit, which has been a driving force in China's efforts to fight infectious diseases, is also working with private firms including CanSino, 6185 HK, to develop COVID-19 vaccines. Challenging the West's traditional dominance of the industry, China is behind 8 of the 19 vaccine candidates in human trials, with Sinovac's experimental shot and one jointly developed by the military and CanSino among the frontrunners. It is also focused mainly on inactivated vaccine technology, a technology that is well known and has been used to make vaccines against diseases such as influenza and measles, something which could raise the chances of success. There are more than 198 coronavirus vaccines in development, according to the COVID-19 vaccine tracker, 19 of which are in clinical trials. The best-case estimates say a vaccine is possible by the end of the year, or early 2021. This 12 to 18-month timeline is ambitious, easily a record. There have been some promising results, a vaccine from Chinese researchers, and another from Oxford and AstraZeneca, produced an immune response in patients. US President Donald Trump expressed a willingness on Tuesday to work with China or other countries to bring a successful coronavirus vaccine to the United States, despite rising tensions between Beijing and Washington. "We're willing to work with anybody that is going to get us a good result," Trump said, when asked if the administration would collaborate with China on a vaccine for Americans, whether China is first to develop one or not. Trump has long blamed China for mishandling the deadly coronavirus pandemic, which originated in the Chinese city of Wuhan and charged across the United States, killing more than 140,000 Americans and raising the stakes for a quick and viable vaccine. So it is very surprising if in the end Trump wants to work with China about COVID-19 vaccine, but it must be understood this is all for the good of humanity.